Hello everyone, I am Jason, a PhD candidate in University of Peloponnese. In the HCI VR lab, we are trying to do some gamification mechanisms, and currently I am focusing on cybersecurity. Okay, so sorry for that. Okay, cybersecurity is a really important asset if we consider that everything is stored to the cloud. Thus, malicious users could attack any organization and steal our data. On the other hand, gamification is also useful for everyone that needs to train in a rather dull task, and gamification makes things much more easier, and thus organization can attract their employees to perform some boring actions. In our research, we have two main groups, the experts and the leaders. The first are the one that actually doing the patching of the systems, while the others are the one coordinating the whole team. In the training scenarios, what lacks is their coordinated training session. They mostly train separately. The first group train via hands-on training in cyber ranges or other real-time platforms that simulate the actual world, whilst the second play some card games that can focus their attention towards risk analysis and role playing and how they can manage their resources in order to achieve their potential and their achievements. So what we did is to design a specific algorithm that can unify the scoring that comes from various platforms, lightweight or cyber ranges, regardless of their source and how they're created. Our second solution targets in the team leaders through a game that will assist the leaders and the experts to communicate with each other and exchange their knowledge. So our game is a single player game that the user has the budget, their team, and the impact of the company. Sorry for that. A topology is presented to the user along with a team, which is presented as cards with specific attribute, like the DevOps is very good on networking, or this guy is very good on patching. They can be trained and coordinate with each other to level up and unlock new synergies like in the real world. In every turn, the system will decide on different malicious actions to happen on the systems. Those can be mitigated or defended depending on what are the player actions. So all of this, the player in the background, every action he does is scripted in a Tosca file, which can be later used to be activated in any cyber range platform, either in the future or in real time. And thus we have both teams to play and the leader to coordinate their team, and the team does the actual stuff and defenses. So all of this create an integrated framework where, as I mentioned, everyone assists the other to become better. So our integrated framework consists of those two things, the standardized algorithm and the CyberOps commander, the game I just mentioned. And this bridges actually the gap between those two teams and their training sessions. So our future work is to implement the MVP for the CyberOps commander, the actual strategic game, refine our Tosca generation logic to be able to be defined and played in various cyber ranges, and also do some more evaluations. Thank you very much and happy to be here.